Hello students, welcome to Academy, the place for mathematics and science. Dear students, in the last class we were discussing the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables. Now let's go for continuing this, and remember this is fourth period of this chapter. You all know that yesterday we conducted the test on both mathematics and science, and the students who have not got the question papers, no need to worry, because now I am going to show you the question papers, and please take the screenshot of them and use them for practicing. This is maths question paper. It was conducted for 12 marks and total 8 questions are there. Please go through them. Next, we have science paper. It was conducted for 15 marks. Here also we have total 8 questions. So use both the question papers for practicing. Dear students, now let's go for continuing this chapter. Before that, just we shall recall what we learned in previous class. Here, with respect to this chapter, first we got the general form of it. It is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, where a1, a2, b1 and b2 are not equal to 0, and a1, a2, b1, b2, c1 and c2 are real numbers, right? And there are different types of solutions, and they are, first one is, it is unique solution, and we know the condition for this. This is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Second one is infinitely many solution. If it has infinitely many solution, then it satisfies the condition that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is also equal to c1 by c2. Whereas third one is no solution. For no solution, condition is it is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. Similarly, even we have learned how to represent the given pair of linear equations in two variables in the graph. And the nature of graph of each of these linear equations is straight line. The lines may intersect each other. Lines may coincide with each other, or another one is lines may be parallel to each other. If the two lines intersect each other at one point, we can say that it has the system of equations has unique solution. Then obviously it holds good for this condition. Then if it has infinite number of solutions, then the lines will coincide with each other. Next, another one is if the lines are parallel, then we can say that the given equations are not having any solution. Clear? Then after that, we have come to know that if the given pair of equations have solutions, may be unique or infinite number of solutions, then we can say that the equations are consistent. Then the given equations have no solution, you can say that they are inconsistent. Then after this, we have come to know the methods of finding the solutions of a pair of linear equations in two variables. There are mainly two methods. One is graphical method and second one is algebraic method. Right? In algebraic method, we have three sub-methods are there. One is elimination, second one is substitution, and third one is cross multiplication. In the yesterday's class, we were focusing on graphical method, right? And even we solved many problems also, many pairs of linear equations by graphical method. Now let's go for continuing this. We had finished exercise number 3.1, and with respect to 3.2 we were in fourth one. Now let's move on to that. Exercise 3.2, in that fourth one, let me write the question. The fourth question is like this. Which of the following pairs of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent? Then if they are consistent, we have to obtain the solution by graphical method. I hope that you have understood. Dear students, we have already learned how to draw the graph of given pairs of linear equations, right? Here also, but before going to draw, you have to check whether they are consistent or not. We know how to check that. I'll go for verification. First, you have to write the given equations in standard form. This is very important. Standard form, observe that a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. So, all the terms should be in the left hand side. On the right hand side, there must be 0. Here, x plus y, transfer y to the left hand side. It is minus y, 5 to the left hand side, it becomes minus 5, which is equal to 0. And the second equation is 2x plus 2y minus 10 equal to 0. Clear? Then after that, go for finding the ratios. Because to decide consistent or inconsistent, we need to find out a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. a1 by a2, a1 is 1, a2 is 2, it is 1 by 2. Then b1 by b2, observe it, here is 1, here is 2. 1 by 2 and c1 by c2, this is equal to, observe, in c1 place minus 5 is there, c2 place minus 10, minus get cancelled, 5 by 10 will remain, 5 ones are, 5 twos are. Hope that you have understood. Now you just go for comparing all the three. On comparing, what you can say? You can write that a1 by a2 is 1 by 2. That is also the value of b1 by b2 and the same value is of c1 by c2. Hence all the three ratios are equal. If all the three ratios are equal, you can say that the given pair of linear equations have infinitely many solutions. As they have many solutions, we can say that they are consistent. Clear? Here are right. Therefore, the given pair of equations have infinitely many solutions. Hence, what you can say? They are consistent. Nothing but the equations are consistent. What is the question? If they are consistent, we have to draw the graph for them. To draw the graph, obviously we need to find out the coordinate points. Here I will go for writing the coordinate points. First, I will take the equations. What is the first equation? Observe it. It is x plus y minus 5. X plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. You need to solve y. Y is equal to, take minus 5 to the right hand side plus 5 and transfer x to the right hand side minus x. Then go for drawing the table. And first column it is for x, second column for y, that is y equal to 5 minus x, and third column for x comma y. Hope that you have understood. Now take the values for x. As they are simple, you can go for directly 0, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2 and so on. When x is 0, y equal to 5 minus 0, it is equal to 5. It is 0 comma 5. Next, when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 5 minus 1, this is equal to 4. 1 comma 4. Then when x equal to 2, y is equal to 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. 2 comma 3. Hope that you have understood. Observe it. I'll call this as A, B and C. These are the three coordinate points. These are with respect to first equation. Let us go for taking the second equation. Second equation is, it is 2x plus 2y is equal to 10 or 2x plus 2y minus 10 equal to 0. Both are same. Then solve y. 2y is equal to 10. Transfer 2x to the right hand side. Minus 2x. Y is equal to 10 minus 2x by 2. Then go for finding the coordinate points. Here are right. First column for x. Second column for y equal to 10 minus 2x by 2. And third column for x comma y. So let me go for writing them, and before that please pause the video and copy from here. Fourth one up to here. Now let us go for finding the coordinate points with respect to second equation. Here I will go for taking 0. Y equal to 10 minus 2 into 0 by 2. 2 into 0, 0. 10 minus 0, 10. 10 by 2, 5. This is 0 comma 5. Hope that you have understood. Then you may take 1. Y is equal to 10 minus 2 into 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2. 10 minus 2, 8. 8 by 2. This is 4. 1 comma 4. Next, you may take minus 1, any number you want. I'll go for taking 2. Y is equal to 10 minus 2 into, in place of x, we should write 2 divided by, it is 2. What is 2 2s are 4. 10 minus 4, 6. 6 by 2, 3. This is 2 comma 3. And you may name these as P, Q and R. Now you should go for drawing the graph. Okay. Observe. Just by here with calculation only we have come to know that they have infinitely many solutions. Then what will be the nature of the graph? These graphs, that is straight lines, will coincide with each other. One will lie on the other. Got it? Still many are there. So you have to draw the graph yourself. Okay? Draw the graph yourself. Already we have practiced how to draw the graph for the given coordinate points and with respect to given equations. Okay? Yes. Please go for copying from there to here. Then after this, take a graph sheet and copy it. Go for drawing the graph. Then now I'll move on to second. Let's move on to second one. Go through the equations. X minus y is equal to 8 and 3x minus 3y equal to 16. We have to check whether these are consistent or not. If they are consistent, then only you can go for drawing the graph. So verification. First, I'll take x minus y equal to 8. Write it in standard form. What it will be? It is minus 8 equal to 0. We have transferred 8 to the left hand side. You may call it as equation 1. Next, 3x minus 3y, transfer 16 to the left hand side. Minus 16 is equal to 0. Call it as equation 2. Then, now we will go for finding all the three ratios. What are those? If you want, you can write first A1, A2, B1, B2 and C1, C2 values. What is A1? 1. B1, minus 1. C1, minus 8. Here, A2, 3. B2, minus 3. And C2, minus 16. Or else, go for writing it directly. A1 by A2, 1 by 3. Then B1 by B2. It is minus 1 by minus 3. Minus minus get cancelled. It is equal to 1 by 2. C1 by C2. C1 is minus 8 and C2 is minus 16. Minus 8 minus 16. Minus minus get cancelled. 8 by 16 it is 1 by 2. Observe it. Here you can come on comparing A1 by A2, its value is 3. B1 by B2, 1 by 3. Both are equal. But not equal to 1 by 2. Means C1 by C2. Here I'll write. On comparing, you can decide that A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, but not equal to C1 by C2. Clear? If this condition holds good, then what type of solutions it has? We can say that, therefore, the given equations have no solution. Clear? If they have no solution, then are they consistent? No. Hence, the given equations are inconsistent. If they are inconsistent, is it necessary to draw the graph? No. So, because graph is not obtained, that means you will get the parallel lines. Clear? Here, no need to draw the graph. No need to draw the graph. Why? Because in question it has been clearly mentioned that if they are consistent, then only we have to go for drawing the graph. Understood? Now we will move on to third one. With respect to third question, we have the equation like this. Here I'll write third one. It is 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0 and 2x minus 2y minus 2 equal to 0. These are the two equations. Now first we have to check whether these are consistent. If they are consistent, then only we have to draw the graph. Here let's go for verification, that is to check whether whether they are consistent or not. Here, both the equations are in standard form, is it not? I'll write, let 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0 be a first equation. Then 2x minus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0, call it as equation 2. Then find the ratios a1 by a2. It is 2 by 2, which is equal to 1, is it not? Then b1 by b2. Observe, b1 is 1, b2 is minus 2, 1 by minus 2. It is minus 1 by 2. Then go for finding c1 by c2, where c1 is minus 6, c2 is minus 2, minus minus get cancelled, 6 by 2, 6 by 2 is 3. Hope that you have understood. Now, on comparing, what you can write? Observe, a1 by a2 is 1, b1 by b2 is minus 1 by 2. Are these two equal? No. If they are not equal, we can write a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. If these two ratios are not equal, then what do you say about the solution? Whether unique solution, infinitely many solutions, or no solution? We can say that the given equations have unique solution. If they have unique solution, then what do you say about their consistency? Yes, we can say that they are consistent. Hence, they are consistent. If they are consistent, now we have to draw the graph for this. To draw the graphs, we need to find out the coordinate points with respect to each of these two equations. Dear students, now you have to copy from there to here. Then after that, immediately you go for third one and copy up to here. After that, we shall move on to finding the coordinate points. Yes, let us go for finding the coordinate points. First, let us take the given equations. First one is 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. And the second equation is 2x minus 2y minus 2 equal to 0. Next, let us solve y from each of these equations. Now y is equal to, transfer minus 6 to the right hand side becomes plus 6. Transfer 2x to the right hand side becomes minus 2x. Then go for finding the coordinate points. You have to draw the table using scale and pencil. Here first column for x, second column for y, and third column for the ordered pair nothing but x comma y. Next, let us take 0 in place of x. Two zeros are 0. Then 6 minus 0, it will be 6. Such a simple one. Now when x is 0, y is 6. Next, let's go for taking 1. Y is equal to 6 minus 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2. 6 minus 2, it is 4. 1 comma 4. Next, when x is 3, y is equal to 6 minus 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 6, 0. When x is 3, y is 0. Hope that you have understood. Now, let us name these coordinate points as A, B and C. Now, let us find out the coordinate points of second equation. 2x minus 2y minus 2 equal to 0. Solve y. So 2x minus 2 as it is. Transfer minus 2y to the right hand side. Becomes plus 2. Now see that it is 2 into x minus 1. It's equal to 2y. 2 get cancelled. Y equal to x minus 1. Hope that you have understood. Next, let us draw the table. First column for x. Second column for y equal to x minus 1. And third one for x comma y. Then substitute 0 in place of x. Then y is equal to 0 minus 1 is minus 1. When x is 0, y is minus 1. Next, take 1. Y is equal to x minus of minus 1. Sorry, it is in place of x we should write minus 1. Then minus 1. Minus 1 is minus 2. 1 comma minus 2. Next, when x is 2, y is x is 2 minus and minus 1. 2 minus 1, it is 1. 2 comma 1. You may name these coordinate points as P, Q and R. Now we have found out the coordinate points of both the equations. Next, we should go for drawing the graph. Is it not? Yes. You have to draw the graph yourself. Draw the graph yourself. And remember, you know that as they have unique solution, how will be the graph of both the equations? Definitely they will intersect at a point. Got it? Okay, dear students, now you are going to copy these coordinate points with calculation. Then take a graph sheet and go for drawing the graph of this. Dear students, with respect to fourth main, we have two more sub questions. Here in third one, they are given two linear equations in two variables. You have to check whether these are consistent or not. If they are consistent, draw the graph. If they are inconsistent, no need to draw the graph. And fourth sub question. Again, you have to copy this, check that whether they are consistent. If they are consistent, find out the coordinate points. After finding the coordinate points, go for drawing the graph yourself. Hope that you can do yourself these two. Okay. Now, we will move on to fifth one. Go through this. Half the perimeter of rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36 meter. Find the dimensions of the garden. Hope that you have understood. Look here. Here they have given a rectangular garden. Half the perimeter of rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width. Then what is the length of it? We do not know. You may call it as x meter. And width, y meter. Then what will be its perimeter? Perimeter of rectangle is, it is 2 into L plus B. But have they given perimeter? No. But what has been given? Half of the perimeter is given. What is half of the perimeter? Half of the perimeter is 36. Understood? Then P is equal to 72 meter. This is the perimeter. So with this information, we have to find out the dimensions of the garden, nothing but the values of X and Y. How to find out that? We have learned only the graphical method. They have not mentioned any particular method. You can go for any method you want to find out the length and breadth. Okay? Yes. Here, first I'll write data. Let the length of garden B, it is X meter. Then breadth of the garden is equal to Y meter. Hope that you have understood. Next, what has been given? This is very important. Whose length is how much? Not just 4 meter. 4 meter more than its width. So from the statement you can write length is 4 meter more than its width. Hope that you have understood. For your reference only I have written it. What is the length? Length is X. It is equal to width is Y plus 4. Now transfer Y to the left hand side. X minus Y equal to 4. You may call it as equation 1. Clear? Next, they have given half the perimeter. Half of the perimeter is how much? 36. Half into what is the perimeter of rectangle? It is 2 into length plus breadth. Here 2 into what is the length? Length is X. Breadth is Y. So here I'll write X plus Y. It's equal to 36. Then 2 to get cancelled. X plus Y is equal to 36. You may go for calling it as equation 2. Then we have to find out the dimensions. To find out the dimensions, we shall move on to calculation. How do you go for calculate? Either by graphical method or else the method what you have followed in your previous classes. In 8th standard, you might have remembered that linear pair. Here A and B, they are given. If A minus B is equal to 60, then find out A and B. We know that what is A plus B? It is equal to 180 because sum of the angles so formed here, it is 180. You had learnt how to solve this. Here also we will follow the same method. First equation is X minus Y is equal to 4. Second equation is X plus Y equal to 36. Then cancel. 1x plus 1x, 2x. 4 plus 36, 40. X equal to 40 by 2, it is 20. We got xy. Then after getting x, what you do? You have to find out y. To get y, you have to substitute x in any one of these two equations. Alright. Substitute x equal to 20 in either equation 1 or 2. I go for taking 2. Equation 2 is x plus y equal to 36. X is 20. Y is unknown equal to 36. Y equal to 36 minus 20. Y is equal to, it is 16. Where x represents length, y represents breadth. Therefore, the length is 20 meter and breadth is 60 meter. Hope that you have understood. If If you want to find out that using graph, you will find out the coordinates of first equation as well as second equation, draw them, and the lines will intersect at 20, 60. Please do remember that. Dear students, hope that you have understood. Now, before copying this, what you should do? You have to check these two are consistent or not. And if it is consistent, draw the graph. After completing this, then you can go for writing fifth one. And should copy from there to here. Observe sixth one. Given the linear equation, that is 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0, write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair so formed is first one intersecting lines, second one parallel lines, third one coincident lines. Dear students, hope that you have understood this statement. This is very important in the examination point of view for 1 mark. If pair of linear equations in two variables, we go for taking two linear equations, is it not? Here one has been given. We have to write another equation such that it should satisfy the first condition. Next you can go for taking one more equation should satisfy second condition. In the same way, even third one also. Okay, now let us go for writing the equation. Here I'll write answer. Yes. What is the first equation? 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. This is the given equation. Intersecting lines, we have to write another equation such that it should satisfy this condition. Intersecting lines. When you draw the graph of both the equations, the lines should intersect each other. Then what is the condition for that? Just recall it. A1 by A2 should not be equal to B1 by B2. Observe it. Here the first equation is 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. And the second equation, I'll write 7x minus 4y plus 10 is equal to 0. See that? It satisfies. These two will satisfy this condition. Clear? This is the required equation. You can write only this much. Only for the sake of understanding, I am giving you the more information. Just we shall go for checking. See, A1 by A2, it is 2 by 7. B1 by B2, it is 3 by minus 4, nothing but minus 3 by 4. C1 by C2, minus 8 by 10, it is equal to 2 4s or 2 5s. Compare these two. 2 by 7 is not equal to minus 3 by 4. Therefore, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Hence, we can say that this equation will represent the intersecting lines with this. Clear? Yes. We can write here A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Therefore, 7x minus 4y plus 10 equal to 0 is the required equation. Next. Actually, they are expecting only answer only this line. For the sake of understanding, I explained that. Next, parallel lines. What is the condition for parallel lines? Yes, it is A1 by A2 should be equal to 0, equal to B1 by B2, but not equal to C1 by C2. What the given equation is 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. Then first two ratio should be equal. Hence, I'll go for multiplying first two terms with the same number. I'll write 7. 7 2s are 14. 14x. 7 3s are 21. 21y. Minus this one, any number, maybe plus 11, plus 15, whatever it is, plus 15 or minus 15. Now you just check that. Here A1 by A2, 2 by 14, 1 by 7. B1 by B2, 3 by 21, 1 by 7. C1 by C2, minus 8 by 15. See, this condition is satisfied. We can write is satisfied. Satisfied. Therefore, 14x plus 21y plus 15 is equal to 0 is the required equation. Next, we shall move on to third one. Third one is coincident lines. If the line should be coincident with each other, that is, one line should lie on the other line, what should be the condition? Yes, it is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Now we have to write the equations which satisfy this condition. First equation they are given 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. If we want to make this condition is to be satisfied, then we have to multiply all these terms with the same number. Any number can be taken. If you take 3, 4, 5, whatever it is. I take 4. 4 2s are 8, 8x. 4 3s are 12, 12y. 4 8s are 32. It is equal to 0. Now find out 2 by 8, 1 by 4. 3 by 12, 1 by 4. Minus 8 by minus 32. Minus minus get cancelled. 8 ones are 8 fours are 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. So here we can write this condition is satisfied. Therefore, 8x plus 12y minus 32 equal to 0 is the required equation. Clear? Yes. Please go for copying from there to here. You know that yesterday I had given one question in yesterday's test. One question was given with respect to this. Please do practice it. Dear students, this is 7th question of exercise 3.2 and this is the last one in that exercise and is so important in the examination. I go for putting 3-star mark for this. Go through the given question. Draw the graphs of the equations x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. The first sub-question is we have to draw the graph of these two equations. Next, determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed. Here, one triangle is formed. We have to find out the coordinates of its vertices. But you all may be thinking that how? They are given. The triangle is formed by these lines and the x-axis. Whatever the lines you will draw and with them x-axis. Then after that you are going to shade the triangular regions. So these are the 3 sub-questions in one question only. Let us go for answering one by one. What is first one? Draw the graphs of these equations. To draw the graph, we need to find out the coordinate points. Let us go for taking equations one by one. X minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Right? Then solve y. X plus 1. Transfer minus y to the right hand side becomes plus y. Find out the coordinate points. See here, I'll take the first column for x, second column for y equal to x plus 1 and third column for x comma y. Here when x is 0, y equal to 0 plus 1 equal to 1. It is 0 comma 1. Hope you have understood. Then x equal to 1, y equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2, it is 1 comma 2. Then when x is 2, y equal to 2 plus 1, it is 3, 2, comma 3. You may name these coordinate points as A, B and C. Got it? Next, we will move on to the second equation. And using that second equation, we have to find out the coordinate points. What is that? The equation is 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Here you can go for solving y. Hence, I will keep the 2y as it is on the left hand side. Transfer remaining to the right hand side. Minus 12 becomes plus 12 and 3x becomes minus 3x. But we want only y. Y is equal to 12 minus 3x by 2. Got it? Yes. Let us find out the coordinate points. Here x, here y equal to 12 minus 3x by 2 and here is x comma y. Let us find out the coordinate points. First, can we take 0 in place of x? Observe here. It is y is in fraction. Hence, you can go for choosing the value of x by trial and error method. If you take 0, 3 into 0, 0, 12 minus 0, 12, 12 by 2, 6, it comes. Y equal to 12 minus 3 into 0 by 2, it is equal to 12 by 2 is 6. It is 0, comma 6. Then can we take 1? Observe. If you take 1 here, 3 ones are 3, 12 minus 3, 9, 9 by 2. It is again comes in fraction, won't come. 3 twos are 6, 12 minus 6, 6, 6 by 2, 3. Here I write 2, y is equal to 12 minus 3 into 2 by 2. It is equal to 3 twos are 6, 12 minus 6 is 6, 6 by 2 is 3. It is 2, comma 3. Understood? Next, it is 3. Observe. When you take 3 in place of x, 3 3s are 9. 12 minus 9 is, it is 12, 3 by 2. It will be in fraction, hence I go for taking 4. If you take 4, observe. 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 12, 0. 0 by 2, 0. It comes. Y is equal to 12 minus 3 into 4 by 2. It is equal to 0 by 2 equal to 0. 4, comma 0. Now, let us name these coordinate points as P, Q and R. Hope that you have understood. Now, we will go for drawing the graph by using these coordinate points. Let me go for drawing the graph. Dear students, you can observe that. Let's go for drawing the graph. Hence, I have drawn x-axis and y-axis. And one more thing you can notice that A, B, C, P, Q and R all are in first quadrant only. Hence, I have used more space for first quadrant. Let us go for marking them. First, A is 0, 1. See that 0, x is 0, y is 1. That has been marked here. I call it as A. Next, 1, 2. When x is 1, y is 2. These two will intersect here. Call it as B. Next, another one is C is 2, 3. When x is 2, y is 3. It is C. Let us go for joining. When you after join these 3 points, just keep observing the line. This is the graph of the first equation, x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Next, let's move on to mark P, Q and R, where P is 0, 6. When x is 0, y is 6. It is P. Q is 2, 3. When x is 2, y is 3. It will intersect here. This is Q. Both C and Q are same. And R is 4, 0. Here 4, 0. X is 4, Y is 0. Call it as R. Let us go for joining these points, P, Q and R. Just keep observing. Yes, this is the line or the graph of the equation. What is the second equation? 3x plus 2y minus 12. 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Understood? Okay. We have answered for first sub question. Scale x and y axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Observe. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle so formed. Here we have a triangle. What is that? See that Q, R and yes, I'll go for taking this as yes. SQR is the required triangle. Clear? Here I'll write. First we have written scale, then I'll write the triangle. SQR is the triangle. If it is triangle, what we have to do? Triangle, we have to find out the coordinates. But do remember, it has been given, triangle is formed by these lines and the x-axis. See, we have used x-axis and the two lines. Now, coordinates of yes, what it is? -1, 0. Coordinates of Q, it is 2, 3. And the coordinates of R, it is 4, 0. Clear? Next, what is the third sub question? Third sub question is shade the triangular region. Here, what is the triangular region? Yes, Q, R. I am going to shade it. So, hence, let us go for drawing the lines to shade. This is the way you can go for shade. Just keep observing. Clear up? Okay. Other than this, what question you may expect? You may ask like this. Also, find the area of the shaded region or its area of the triangle. It is additional information I am writing. Area of SQR. Area of triangle is half into base into height. See, half into base. What is the base? Here, from S to R. And height, Q to x-axis. Directly we shall go for writing the value. Half into base. How many units? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units. Height from here to here, how much? See, 1, 2, 3. 3 units. It is equal. 5 3s are 15. 15 by 2 is 7.5 square units. Clear? See, this is the way we can answer for the given question. They have given 3 sub questions, but we have included one more. Once I tell. First we have to draw the graph, hence we found the coordinates, then we have drawn. Second, we have to identify the triangle formed by the lines and x-axis, that is QSR. After that, we should find out the coordinate points of all the vertices of the triangle we have written. And fourth additional one is we have found out the area also. Understood? Yes. This information should be in the graph sheet itself so that it will be easy for evaluating your answers. Now, dear students, first you go for calculating up to here, then use the graph and go for drawing. Dear students, so far we learned how to find out the solutions of the given pair of linear equations in two variables by graphical method, and it has been completed. Now we will move on to algebraic method. You all know that in algebraic method we have three sub-methods. One is elimination, second one is substitution, and third one is cross multiplication. I have given this information in the increasing order of their difficulty. First, we will move on to elimination method, which is so simple. Worked examples. I am going to write the first one. Observe the first question. Solve the following equations by elimination method. What is that elimination method? I will explain that. Here we have a pair of linear equations in two variables. One is x plus y is equal to 5 and second one is 2x minus 3y equal to 4. How to solve this by elimination method? Elimination means removing, deleting. So if you want to find out the value of x, y should be removed. To find out y, x should be eliminated. That's the meaning. Here I am going to choose the equation, calling the equations as 1 and 2. X plus y equal to 5. It is 1 and 2x plus 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Call it as equation 2. Then how you are going to eliminate any one of the variable? To get x, we should eliminate y. To get y, x should be eliminated. To eliminate the variable in both the equations, its coefficient must be same. Suppose you want to eliminate x. Observe, what is the coefficient of x in first equation? 1. Coefficient of x in second equation? 2. Are these two same? No. Then how do you make it as same? Very simple. Coefficient of x in first equation, it is 1. It should be multiplied to equation 2. Coefficient of x in second equation, this is 2. It should be multiplied, first equation should be multiplied by 2. Clear? This 1 is multiplied to second equation, this 2 is multiplied to first equation. Observe, multiply. 2 1s are 2, it is 2x plus 2 into y, 2y. 2 5s are 10. Now multiply by 1. 1 2s are 2, 2x minus 3y into 1, 3y equal to 4 1s are 4. Then is it possible to cancel? No. Hence we have to change the sign. Here plus is there, minus. Here minus is there, plus. Here plus is there, minus. Observe, 2x minus 2x get cancelled. Clear? Next, 2y, consider this plus sign, plus 3y. 2y, 3y is 5y. Next, 10 minus 4, it is 6. Now y is equal to 6 by 5. Hope that you have understood. Now we got the value of y. Let us substitute y in place of any one of these two equations. I will substitute y equal to 6 by 5 in equation 1. Equation 1 is x plus y equal to 5, x plus y is 6 by 5 is equal to 5. Clear? Now x is equal to 5 minus, transfer 6 by 5 to the right hand side, minus 6 by 5. Then take LCM, 5. Then multiply LCM with both the terms. 5 5s are 25. Here 5 5 get cancelled, 6. 25 minus 6 is 19. 19 by 5. Clear? So x is equal to 19 by 5. Therefore 19 by 5 comma y is 6 by 5 is the required solution. Hope that you have understood. Or else, therefore, x equal to 19 by 5 and y equal to 6 by 5. If understood, please go for copying from there to here. Hope that you have written up to here. Now we will move on to second one. Please go through this. 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0. And the second equation, 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. Let us go for finding this by elimination method. First, I will assume 3x minus 5 is equal to minus 4. Transfer that to the right hand side. Becomes plus 4. Call it as equation 1. Next, 9x, transfer 2y to the left hand side. Minus 2y. In RHS, keep that 7 as it is. Call it as 2. Now, to find out the value of x, you have to eliminate y. To find out y, you should eliminate x. How do you go for that? You will go for equalizing either coefficient of x or the coefficients of y. How do you go for this? Observe. Here 3 is there. So can you multiply this by 3? Then here 9 is there. Should we multiply by 9? Of course. Observe. If you put 9 here and here 3. 9 3s are 27. 27x. 3 9s are 27. 27x. It comes. But one more thing you must observe. It is coefficient of x in both the equations. 3 and 9. These are the multiples of 3 only. See, 3 1s are 3 and this is 3 3s are. Hence, you can go for multiplying equation 1 by just 3 only. 3 3s are 9. Understood? And this by 1. 1 9s are 9. See, 9x, 9x. Both will come. Or else, you can also go for equalizing y. Here 5 and 2 is there. So multiply equation 1 by 2 because 2 is the coefficient of y in second equation. Multiply second equation by 5 because coefficient of y in first equation is 5. See that 2 5s are 10, 5 2s are 10 will come. So there we have 3 possibilities. I have told all the 3 possibilities. You can go for any one. Here let's go for this one only. Multiply by 2. 2 3s are 6, 6x. 2 5s are 10, 10y. 2 4s are 8. Next 5 9s are 45x. 5 2s are 10y. 5 7s are 35. Hope that you have understood. In the next step, you should change the sign. Here minus, here plus is there. I am going to write it as minus. Why should we change the sign? Coefficients are same and the variables are also same. Then sign should be different. Then only you can go for cancelling. But here minus, here minus. That is why it is needed. Minus is there and here I'll write plus. Here plus is there, I'll write minus. Now see that minus 10y plus 10y get cancelled. Hope that you have understood. Now what is 6x minus 45x? It is minus 39x. Hope that you have understood. Next, this is equal to 8 minus 35. 8 minus 35 is minus 27. Is it not? Now let us go for finding the value of x. Minus minus get cancelled. Here 27 by 39. Next, both can be cancelled by 3. 3 9s are 27. 3 1s are 3 3s are. X equal to 9 by 13. Clear? Yes. Next, we have to find out y. So it should be substituted in any one of these two equations. Here I will go for writing. Substitute x equal to 9 by 30 in either 1 or 2. Anyone can be taken. Let us take 1 only. Now 3 into what is x? 9 by 30 minus 5y is equal to 4. Next, 9 3s are 27. 27 by 13 minus 5y is equal to 4. 27 by 13, transfer 4 to the left hand side becomes minus 4. It is equal to minus 5y to the right hand side becomes plus 5y. LCM is 13. Multiply this LCM with both the terms. 13 get cancelled, 27. Here 13 should be multiplied with 4. 13 4s are 52. It is equal to 5. 27 minus 52, it is 25. Minus or plus? Minus, because greater number has minus sign. Divided by 13 is equal to 5y. Then we want y. Y is equal to minus 25 by 13. Transpose y to the denominator. 1s are 5s are. So y is equal to minus 5 by 13. Now conclusion. Therefore, x equal to 9 by 13 and y equal to minus 5 by 13. Hence, 9 by 13 comma minus 5 by 13 is the required solution. Clear? Yes, if understood, go for copying from there to here. Observe, this is third one, bit different and is important. Observe, x by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1. This is first equation. X minus y by 3 equal to 3. That is second equation. See, in previous problems, there we come across the coefficients of x and y were integers. But here, in fraction, that is why first we shall go for simplifying it. Here, I'll write x by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1. This is first equation. See that it is an equation. Both LHS and RHS terms are there. Take LCM of all the denominators. 2, 3, here denominator 1. What is the LCM? 6. Multiply LCM with all the terms. Clear? So here I'll write multiply LCM 6 on both the sides. When you multiply 6 here, 2 3s are, so 3x. Multiply 6 here, 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 2 2s are, 4y. Multiply 6 here, this is minus 6. Hope that you have understood. Now you may call this as equation 1. Next, take another equation. X minus y by 3 is equal to 3. Both LHS and RHS are there. Go for taking the LCM of all the denominator. Here is 1, here is 3, here is 1. What is the LCM of the denominator? 1, 3, 1 is 3 only. So multiply 3, that is LCM. Multiply LCM 3 on both the sides. Actually, it is not necessary directly you can go for that. Only for the sake of understanding, I have written. Here 3 into x, 3x. Multiply 3 here, 3 3 get cancelled. Y only. Multiply 3 here, 3 3s are 9. You may call it as second equation. Now let us use both the equations to solve by elimination method. And observe it. Coefficient of x in both the equation. Here 3 and here 3. It is quite simple. So no need to go for multiplying it with any number. Directly we shall go for writing them. 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. Then 3x minus y is equal to 9. Change the sign. Here minus, here plus, here minus. Because here plus 3 is there. We cannot cancel them. Hence, I have changed the sign. Plus is there. Here I have written minus. Here minus, I have made it as plus. Here plus is there. We should take minus in place of that. Because you are going to subtract the second equation from first one. These two get cancelled. 4y plus 1y. 5y. Here minus 6 minus 9 minus 15. Should not multiply minus into minus as plus 1. Here minus 6 minus 9. Both are having the same sign. So minus 9 and 5 is 9 and 6 is 15. Y is equal to minus 15 by 5. Y is equal to cancel. 5 ones are 5 3s are. Hope that you have understood. Next, let us substitute y is equal to minus 3 either in first equation or in second equation. Any one can be taken. I'll take first one. Here it is 3x plus 4y. Y is nothing but minus 3 is equal to minus 3. Here I'll write 3x plus into minus, minus 4 3s are 12, minus 12 equal to minus 3. Then 3x is equal to minus 3. Transfer minus 12 to the right hand side. It is plus 12. 3x equal to, it will be 9. X equal to 9 by 3. It is x is 3. Therefore, we can write 3 comma x is 3 and y is minus 3. 3 comma minus 3 is the required solution. Hope that you have understood. Please go for copying from there to here. Dear students, hope that you have copied this. And before concluding today's class, I'll remind you again, whatever we have covered, please work out them today itself without keeping anything. Without keeping anything as pending. And remember, in today's class, we have come across 3 important concepts. 3 important types of problems. One is that we have drawn the graph, then using the lines with the x-axis we have got the triangle, then we found out the coordinates of all the 3 vertices. After that, we shaded the triangular region and then we found out the value of area of triangle. This is one point. And second one is, just we learned how to find out the solutions of the given equations by elimination method. This is the second important one. And third important thing is, when one equation is given, we learned how to write the second equation with respect to the given conditions. It may be unique solution, many solutions, or no solution, or intersecting lines, coincident lines, or parallel lines. Please practice them today itself. And in tomorrow's class, we can move on to another method that is called substitution method. Dear students, again I have been requesting you, whatever we have covered, please work out them today itself without keeping anything pending. So with this, let us stop the class. Thank you very much.